Hello and welcome to our video guide on kiwi farming in India. Kiwi, known for its delicious taste and nutritional benefits, is becoming increasingly popular among farmers. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps for successful kiwi farming in the Indian climate. So, let's get started. Number 1. Selecting the right location. The first step in kiwi farming is selecting the right location. Kiwi plants thrive in temperate climates. In India, regions like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and parts of northeastern states are ideal for kiwi cultivation. Number 2. Soil preparation. Kiwi plants prefer well-drained soil with good organic matter. It's essential to prepare the soil by digging trenches and adding organic compost to improve fertility. Make sure the pH level of the soil is around 6.5 to 7.5 for optimal growth. 3. Variety selection. Choosing the right kiwi variety is crucial. Hayward is the most common variety grown in India. Make sure to source disease-free and certified planting material from a reputable nursery. Number 4. Planting. Plant your kiwi saplings during the rainy season, typically June to July. Ensure proper spacing, with about 4 to 5 meters between plants and rows to allow adequate sunlight and air circulation. Number 5. Irrigation. Kiwi plants require consistent moisture, especially during the growing season. Drip irrigation or a soaker hose system is an excellent choice. Avoid waterlogging, as kiwi plants don't like standing water. Training and pruning. Kiwi plants need to be trained on a support structure, like a T-bar or pergola, to manage their growth. Pruning is vital to control the plant's shape and encourage fruit production. Prune during the dormant winter season. Number 7. Fertilization. Apply balanced fertilizers with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium as well as organic compost. The timing and quantity of fertilization depend on the plant's age and health. Number 8. Pest and disease management. Kiwi plants are susceptible to various pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants and use appropriate pesticides or organic alternatives to keep them healthy. Number 9. Harvesting. Kiwi fruits are ready for harvesting when they are slightly soft to the touch. Usually, this occurs from late November to early January. Gently twist and pluck the fruit from the vine. Marketing. Once harvested, you can sell your kiwi in local markets, to wholesalers, or even export them to other countries, depending on the quality and quantity of your produce. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete guide to kiwi farming in India. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of this delicious and nutritious fruit. Happy farming! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.